Yeah, I'm showing you this, cover for the EV charger. Is a plug cover, a malleable magnetic charger cover with a suction cups, electric car charging port cover. So you can see, as you know, it have a magnetic button, suction cups that you can use. It's the malleable one and the stripe. So just make it the shape you need. So just open this, the hook, and this is the main cover itself. So you can put it in any shape you want, and you can use it. So you can see that this is a malleable strip that I am unrolling here. So this can take any shape you want, and you can just stick it to the car. These are the suction cups that can be used on the car, and this is the corner for that. So basically it's just to cover, and you can give it any shape just to protect your EV charger port. And yeah, you can just cover it. This is a waterproof and weather resistance one, so you can just use it. So here I'm just putting some water on top of it just to show, so it's a waterproof. Charger or cable is not affected. This is my EV charger cable, and holding is well as well.